Let's make a turkey sub sandwich for lunch. And let me share the tips with you on how to pack this lunch for school and keep it fresh in the lunchbox for hours. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I share lots of school lunch ideas that I've packed for my kids over the years. So if that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button so you and I can cook together a couple times a week. My teens love sub sandwiches because they're more substantial and it packs really well in a lunchbox. Plus I can put tomato and lettuce, all those yummy ingredients. I'll share with you the tips for making sure your bread doesn't get soggy in a minute. So first things, let's slice this bread through the middle so we can make the sandwich. So I'm using a serrated knife and placing my hand flat on the top, slicing it through the middle to create two halves. Some subs are already sliced in half, but these ones were not. I'm gonna spread mayonnaise on one half of my sub. The mayonnaise keeps the bread moist, and you wanna spread just enough to cover the bread and remove any extra. And on the other side, I'm adding some mustard. If you don't like mustard, place mayo on this side as well. Again, it just helps keep the bread moist, but not soggy. On top of my mustard, I'm going to put some cheese. I'm using Swiss, but use whatever cheese you like. The sliced cheese is also a barrier for the bread and the upcoming tomato slices we're gonna add. Then some turkey to make this awesome. And now that I have the barrier between my juicy tomato slices and the bread, I can place them on top of the turkey. And on top of the tomato, I'm gonna take some lettuce. The lettuce is going to act as a barrier between the bread and the tomato so the bread doesn't get soggy. By the way, give this video a thumbs up if you appreciate tips like this on how to keep your lunches fresh for hours in a lunchbox, so I know to make more of them for you on my channel. And take the top and close the sub. Check out this sub sandwich, complete with cheese, turkey, tomato, and lettuce. It's hefty, it's so good. Let me show you the tips of putting it in the lunchbox. Let's slice this sub in half. And if it's the only thing you're packing, you can use one of these containers and place it inside and put the lid on. It'll keep it nice and tight and prevent it from going all over the place in the lunchbox. But I want to pack some healthy sides with this sub sandwich. So I'm gonna take it and place it inside of a lunch container like this and add some fresh berries on the side. Check it out. This lunch is so fresh, so delicious, and it's ready to be added inside of a lunch bag with an ice pack, and it's good to go. And that, friends, is how a turkey sub sandwich gets packed for lunch. In the description box, I'm gonna leave more easy lunch ideas with turkey and without. See you next time.